Hello everybody! In this video tutorial I want to quickly show you how we can create a good looking box and whisker plot from some observations. So let's assume we've got some data here, might be the weight or mass of some mice. So we've got 13 observations and we want to convert that into a standard box and whisker plot. And that's actually quite easy in Excel. All we need to do is we highlight our data set with the left mouse button clicked, like that. And then we head over to the insert button on the ribbon here and go to this statistical data, click on the drop-down menu, and we see we get the option of a box and whisker plot. And here we've already got our box and whisker plot. I would like to do a little bit of changes here. So for example, I don't like this blue bar. I can change that very easily. I just click on that and say I do not want any color in it. I can remove the axis here. So I don't want this number 1 here. It means it's the first data set, but I can remove this. I don't want the primary horizontal data. I want just the axis title. Remove this and just simply say here. So here we've got the weight of the mice in gram. I can give it a nice title here. So box and whisker plot. Box and whisker plot of the data. And what we basically have, what this actually shows us now, is a variety of things. So for example, this distance here between the lower fence and this line, that is our first quartile. This distance here, that is our second quartile. Here we've got the third quartile, and this part here would be our fourth quartile. So it shows us the quartiles. This line here indicates the median of the data, and the cross indicates the mean of the data. So this is a very easy way to create a box and whisker plot. And if you've got several data, you can do that as well. And it will show you the comparison of the data in several box and whisker plots. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.